Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with eBay OAuth for authenticated listing management UI, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with eBay OAuth for authenticated listing management, begin by creating an eBay developer account. Navigate to the eBay developer program website and sign up if you haven't already. Once logged in, access the application keys page. Here, you will generate your application ID, dev ID, and cert ID. Make sure to note down these credentials as they will be needed later. Next, go to the eBay OAuth credentials section. Generate your OAuth 2 client ID and client secret. These will be crucial for the authentication process. Now, navigate to the OAuth token request URL. You will use this URL to request an access token. Choose the appropriate scope for your application. For listing management, select the required permissions like shopping and sell. Using a tool like Postman can simplify this process. Send a post request to the OAuth token request URL. In the headers, include your client ID and client secret. In the body, specify the grant type and scope as parameters. Once the request is successful, you will receive an access token. This token will allow you to access eBay's API endpoints. Next, implement the access token in your application. Use it to authenticate your requests when managing listings. Ensure it is included in the headers of your API calls. Monitor the expiration time of your access token. You may need to refresh the token periodically to maintain access. To do this, use the refresh token flow provided by eBay. By following these steps, you'll successfully authenticate with eBay OAuth. This allows for efficient management of your listings through the API. Make sure to consult eBay's API documentation for any updates or changes. Testing your setup in a sandbox environment is highly recommended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.